everybody. See children, in last class I taught you the lesson Justice Above Self. Half lesson I did in the last class. Written by Munshi Premchand. Okay. So here in this lesson children, in first part you learned that there were two characters. In this lesson, two characters are main characters are coming. One is Juman Sheikh. Juman Sheikh and Alagu Chowdhury. Alagu Chowdhury and Juman Sheikh were the two main characters of this story. That these two were very good friends. They were very good friends, children, and they had some bonding between them. In their friendship, they have some connection. That if Juman Sheikh anywhere gone for places means that Alagu Chowdhury was maintaining his house, and if he went anywhere means that Juman Sheikh was going to manage his family. So this time there was one good relationship between that both guys. Here what happened children, that all in village they were respecting these two guys towards their friendship. ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಸ್ನೇಹ ಅಷ್ಟು ಹೆಸರುವಾಸಿಯಾಗಿತ್ತು ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಒಳಗೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅವರಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಗೌರವವನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಯಿತು, that actually problem arise from this second stanza, that Juman Sheikh aunt was there, one old lady, and she had a property in her name, but she didn't have husband or children, nothing. So what she did children, she transferred her all property to Juman Sheikh. ತನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಸ್ತಿಯನ್ನು Juman Sheikh ಗೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ. Afterwards 2 years they were happy, good condition was good in house. 2 years, 2 ವರ್ಷ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. Afterwards what happens children, that quarrel starts between that aunt and that Juman Sheikh wife in the house. That they were inside again and again they were going to insult that aunt, and they were not ready to feed the food for her, but they taken property, ಆಸ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡಾರ, ಈಗ ಜೋಪಾನ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. So that time what happened children, that aunt she asked that payment, monthly payment. Okay, you are not ready to feed me means okay, no problem, you give me monthly this much amount, I will manage myself, I will cook my food myself. This time that aunt asked to Juman Sheikh, but for that condition also he was not ready to pay any amount to that aunt. Then what happened, she tolerated so many days, but afterwards one day what she did children, she started to say in front of the village people about Juman Sheikh and whatever they are going to insult her. So some people are suggested to some were laughed on her, and some were suggested to her to convince his niece and all, and someone what happened, they told to go to panchayat, and at last she went to his that Juman Sheikh close friend Alagu Chowdhury. She went to Alagu Chowdhury and she asked justice there, but he said, I am his good friend, I can't help you, because he can't say any against to Juman Sheikh, because they were both good friends. So here what happened children, she begged him that talk about me, come witness, give in front of panchayat, you tell something about me, that I helped Juman Sheikh, I transferred my all property, you know very well, you please help me, this type she begged him, but he was not ready to agree that one. ಬಟ್ ದಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆಕೆ ಆಂಟ್ ಹೇಳಿದಂಥ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಕಿವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇನ್ನೂ ತನ್ನ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ಗುಯಿ ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು ಅದೇ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ she wants to help that lady, but due to his friendship he was not ready to help her. And what happened here children, that panchayat held under a banyan tree, that in olden days there were no court and police station, that whatever the problems will come, no, they were sitting under a banyan tree or some big tree, and they will sort out that one. So here what happened, they came to solve this problem also. All panchayat members came and sat down under the banyan tree. And what happened children, that Juman Sheikh, he said to that aunt, that panchayat members, they said to select one head punch. But what she did, she selected Algu Chaudhary as her head punch. But that Juman Sheikh was very happy. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯ್ತು, ಅಯ್ಯೋ ನನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡನ್ನ ಆರಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಾಳ, ಅವ್ನು ನನ್ನ ಪರವಾಗಿನೇ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ, ನನಗೇನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಬಿಟ್ಟು he become very happy. But that people they know very well that these two are good friends. ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತು ಇವರಿಬ್ರು ಗುಡ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು. ಮತ್ತು ಇವನು ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಅವನ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ದಟ್ ಜುಮನ್ ಶೇಖ್, she told one sentence that who will sit in that justice place, no, they will give definitely good justice only. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಆ ಒಂದು ಶಬ್ದ ಏನು ಅವ್ರು ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ದೇವರು ಹೇಳಿದಂಥ ದೇವರ ವಾಕ್ಯದಷ್ಟೇ ಅದು ಪರಿಶುದ್ಧವಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಭೇದ ಭಾವ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಣ್ಣ ತಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಇಂಥದ್ದು ಏನೂ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಆ ಜನರಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತು. So what she did, she selected Algu Chaudhary as her head punch. And what happened here children, that defense started, explanation started in front of that punch. And that Juman Sheikh explained everything. That aunt also said that she transferred her property to Juman Sheikh and now they are neglecting. So I want monthly payment itself. In this type she gave explanation in front of that punch. But Juman Sheikh also told us, he agreed that she transferred property to him, and nowadays what happening, that quarrel started between Juman Sheikh wife and that aunt. So now it's not possible to maintain her in my house, but I am not ready to pay the allowance also. ನನಗೆ ದುಡ್ಡನ್ನು ಕೊಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅವನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. That after listening both the parties explanations, that head punch, that Algu Chaudhary gave one decision. That is, Algu announced, we are of the opinion that Juman must pay his aunt a monthly allowance or else the property goes back to her. See, he thought that Juman Sheikh thought that Algu Chaudhary was his good friend, he won't go against to him. But what happens children, when we will be in a respectful place means we should not do any discrimination, we should not be selfish in that time, because the people believes that person only that he will give justice. ನ್ಯಾಯ ಇವ್ರು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಕೂಡಿಸಿದಾಗ ಅನ್ಯಾಯವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾರ ಕೈಲೇನು. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ Algu Chaudhary did, he announced that Juman Sheikh should pay monthly payment or he should give back her property. ಆಸ್ತಿನಾದ್ರೂ ಹೊಳ್ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಂತ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಜೀವನಕ್ಕೆ ದುಡ್ಡನ್ನು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಬಿಟ್ಟು Algu Chaudhary announced. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಸಿ ಟುಡೇಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. Now the friends were seldom seen together. The bond of friendship was broken. In fact, Juman saw Algu as an enemy and wanted to take revenge. See what happened here children? Actually they were both good friends. But after this decision, Juman Sheikh started to treat that Algu Chaudhary as his enemy. ವೈರಿಯ ಥರ ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಅವ್ನ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಅವ್ನ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಕೊಡಲಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, ಹಿಂಗಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವ್ನಿಗೇನಾಯ್ತು, ಬೇಜಾರಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವತ್ತಿಂದ ಬೋತ್ ಬಿಕೇಮ್ ಎನಿಮೀಸ್. ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಶಿಪ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಏನಾಯಿತು, ವೈರಿಗಳಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರು. ಅದು ಒಂದು ಕಾರಣದಿಂದ ಇಬ್ರು ಏನಾಯಿತು, ವೈರಿಗಳಾದರು. Days passed and as ill luck would have it, Algu Chaudhary was in a tight spot. See, after few days what happened children, that one bad day, ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಕೆಟ್ಟ ಸಮಯ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅಂತೀವಲ್ಲ ನಾವು, ಆ ಥರ Algu Chaudharyಗೆ ಬಂತು. What he did children, that his financial condition become very tight. ಆರ್ಥಿಕ ಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಭಾಳ ಕೆಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವನು ತನ್ನ ಆಕಳು ಕರು ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಮಾರ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. He sold one of his bullocks to Sanju Sahu, a cart driver of the village. That Algu Chaudhary was became that bad condition, bad time came to him, and he was facing financial problem. So what he did, he sold out his one bullock to Sanju Sahu. Sanju Sahu. That Algu Chaudhary sold one bullock to Sanju Sahu of the same village. and that due to money only he was sold out that one. A cart driver of the village. The understanding was that Sahu would pay the price of the bullock in months time. See that Sanju Sahu purchased the bullock of this Alugu Chaudhary. Is it, children? Then what happened here? That Alugu Chaudhary gave 1 month time to Sanju Sahu to give the money. He sold out, no? That he sold out the bullock, and that Sanju Sahu should give back money to Alugu Chaudhary. But that Alugu Chaudhary gave 1 month time to Sanju Sahu to repayment. For payment, he gave 1 month time. It so happened that the bullock sold by Alugu died within a month. See what happens, children? See his bad luck. Alugu Chaudhary's bad luck. ದುರಾದೃಷ್ಟ ಏನಾಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ನು ಮಾರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎತ್ತು ಒಂದು ತಿಂಗಳ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಡೋದಿತ್ತು, ಒಂದು ತಿಂಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಮಾತುಕತೆ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಅವನು ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ತಿಂಗಳ ಒಳಗನೆ ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತು, ಆ ಎತ್ತು ಸತ್ತೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತು. ಸತ್ತೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅವನ ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ? ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದವನು ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅವನು. Several months after the death of the bullock, Alugu reminded Sahu of the money he had not yet paid. Reminded means remembered. Remember. That what happened, children? That Alugu Chaudhary sold one bullock to Sanju Sahu and he gave 1 month time to pay the money. But within 1 month only that bullock expired, died. And what happened after 2-3 months also, Sanju Sahu didn't give any money to Alugu Chaudhary. But he remembered, Alugu Chaudhary remembered to Sanju Sahu. ನೆನಪು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ನಾನು ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ನೀನು ಎತ್ತಿಂದು ಕೊಡು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವನು ನೆನಪು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. Sahu of money he had not yet paid. I can't pay you a penny for the wretched beast you sold me. Wretched means of poor quality. Wretched. Of poor quality. He said, I won't pay anything to you because you sold me a sick bullock. So what happened here, children? That actually that bullock was in good health condition only. But what happened? They don't know. Within 1 month only that one died. But now the Sanju is not ready to pay the money. ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೀನು ಆರಾಮಿಲ್ದು ಜಡ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಸಿಕ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಎತ್ತನ್ನು ನನಗೆ ಮಾರಿದಿ, ನಾನು ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, 1 ರೂಪಾಯಿನೂ ಕೊಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ನಿನಗ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅವನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. He brought us nothing but rain. Sahu said angrily. What happened here? Rain means destiny. ಡೆಸ್ಟಿನಿ, ಹಣೆ ಬಾರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಡೆಸ್ಟಿನಿ. ಅದೇನು ನಮ್ಗೇನು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನು ಖರೀದಿ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮಗೇನು ಉಪಯೋಗನೂ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದು 1 ತಿಂಗಳೊಳಗೆ ಸತ್ತೋಯ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಹಣೆ ಬಾರಕ್ಕೆ, ನಾ ಏನು 1 ರೂಪಾಯಿನೂ ನಿನಗೆ ಕೊಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸಂಜು ಸಾಹು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಅಲುಗು ಚೌಧರಿಗೆ ಸಿಟ್ಟಿಂದ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. Alugu decided to take the case to the panchayat. Then now it's a turn of Alugu Chaudhary that he wants to go to panchayat to claim this case there. The panchayat was held under the old banyan tree. Alugu stood up and said, "The voice of the panch is the voice of God. Let Sahu nominate the head panch." See here what happened, children? That Alugu Chaudhary sold on bullock. No, that bullock died within 1 month. But Sanju Sahu has to pay money for that bullock. But he was telling that it was no use for me. You sold a sick bullock to me. That one died. I won't pay single paisa to you. ಏನು ಕೊಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಅವ್ರು ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಅಲುಗು ಚೌಧರಿ ಪಂಚಾಯತಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಇದು ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಸಂಜು ಸಾಹುಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಹೆಡ್ ಪಂಚನ್ನು ಆರಿಸ್ಕೋ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ದಟ್ Alugu Chaudhary told to Sanju Sahu. I will abide by his decision. That you select on head punch and I will obey the decision of whatever that judge will give. No, I will agree that decision. This type Alugu Chaudhary told to Sanju Sahu. Sahu saw his chance and proposed the name of Juman. Alugu's heart sank and he turned pale. See what happened here? That when Juman Sheikh case came to Panchayat, no, that time Algu became the head punch. But now Algu Chaudhary case came, and that Sanju, he know that both were enemies, and he selected Juman Sheikh as his head punch. That time really that Algu Chaudhary afraid that he know that he won't give decision in his side, because he became his enemy. The moment Juman became the head punch, he realized his responsibility. Realized means understanding. Understood. That now Sanju Sahu what he did, children? He selected that Juman Sheikh as a head punch. Realized means understanding clearly. Clearly he understood that whatever his responsibility as a judge. That Juman Sheikh understood his responsibility. Now he has to give the decision fairly. He has to give. Justice should be in correct manner only. So he understood. He realized his responsibility. Responsibility means authority. Authority. That now realized that Juman Sheikh now realized his responsibility. What responsibility? That Sanju Sahu as a head punch, he nominated that Juman Sheikh. No, ಈಗ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು, ಅಪ್ಪ ಇದು ತುಂಬಾ ಕಷ್ಟದ ಕೆಲಸ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. As a judge and the dignity of his office, could he seated in that high place have his revenge now? ತಗೋಬೇಕಾ ರಿವೆಂಜ್, ಅಥವಾ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? ಎಸ್, ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ದಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ದಟ್ ವೇರ್ ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ಸಿಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್, ನೋ, ದಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ನ್ಯಾಯಾಧೀಶನಾಗಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಥಾನ ಏನಿರ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಗೌರವ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಆ ಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನೋ ಬೇಕಾಬಿಟ್ಟು ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್. ಆ ಜಾಗಕ್ಕೇನೋ ಒಂದು ಬೆಲೆ ಇದೆ. ಆ ಜಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ನ್ಯಾಯ ಕೊಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಧೀಶರು ಯಾರೇ ಕೂತಿರ್ಲಿ, ಬಟ್ ಆ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಧೀಶ ಸೀಟ್ ಏನಿರ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದರದೇ ಆದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಮರ್ಯಾದೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಒಂದು ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಬೀಳ್ತದೆ ಮನುಷ್ಯನಿಗೆ. ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಒಂದು ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಬೀಳ್ತದೆ, ಮತ್ತು ನಿಷ್ಪಕ್ಷಪಾತವಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ನಿರ್ಣಯವನ್ನು ಆ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಈಗ ರಿವೆಂಜ್ ತಗೊಳಿಕ್ಕಂತೂ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಜುಮನ್ ಶೇಖ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಬೇಡ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅವನ ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. He decided not to allow his personal feelings to come in the way of speaking the truth, doing justice. See, that is the value of that place. When he sat on that seat, ಆ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅವನ ತಲೆಯೊಳಗೆ ಒಂದು ವಿಚಾರ ಬಂತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಎನಿಮಿಟಿ, ನನ್ನ ಮತ್ತು ಅಲುಗು ಚೌಧರಿ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ದ್ವೇಷಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಅವಕಾಶ ಕೊಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಆ ಥರದ ಯಾವುದೇ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬಾರ್ದು. ನಾನು ನಿಷ್ಪಕ್ಷವಾಗಿ ಇಬ್ಬರದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾನು ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅವನು ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. Both Alaghu and Sahu presented their cases. Then Juman stood up and announced, "It is our opinion that Sahu should pay Alaghu the price of the bullock." See what happened here, children? After listening the explanation of both, that Alaghu Chaudhary and Sanju Sahu, that Juman Sheikh finally he gave the decision that Sanju Sahu should pay the money to Alaghu Chaudhary, because when he gave bullock to Sanju Sahu, that time that bullock condition was very good. It was very healthy. This is not the fault of Alaghu Chaudhary. Alaghu Chaudhary ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಆ ಎತ್ತು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇತ್ತು, ಆರೋಗ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಇತ್ತು. ಇವನ ಹತ್ರ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸತ್ತೋಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಲಗು ಚೌಧರಿ. ಇದು ಅಲಗು ಚೌಧರಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇಲ್ದಿರೋ ವಿಚಾರ. ಇವನ್ ದುಡ್ಡನ್ನು ಅಲಗು ಚೌಧರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. When Sahu bought the bullock, it suffered from no disability. Disability means disorder. When Sahu brought that bullock to his home, no, that time it was quite okay. It was healthy only. It means there is no fault of that Alaghu Chaudhary or disease. It was not with any disease. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಥರ ರೋಗನೂ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಎನಿ ಡಿಸಾರ್ಡರು ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ನಲ್ಲೇ ಇತ್ತು. The death of the bullock was unfortunate. Unfortunate means unlucky. Unlucky. That ಅನ್ಲಕ್ಕಿ, ದುರಾದೃಷ್ಟವಾಗಿ ಅದು ಸತ್ತೋಯ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಅದು ಮಾರಿದಾಗೂ ಅದ್ರ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗೇ ಇತ್ತು, ತಗೊಂಡಾಗೂ ಅದ್ರ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗೇ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದಮೇಲೆ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಫಾಲ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಲಗು ಚೌಧರಿ. The death of the bullock was unfortunate, but Algu cannot be blamed for it. That Juman Sheikh declared that there is no fault of Algu Chaudhary, that when he sold that bullock, that its condition was good, its health condition was also good, and there were no disabilities in that bullock. But afterwards, by chance, unluckily, it died. Means there is no problem, there is no fault of Alaghu Chaudhary, and Sanju Sahu should pay the money to Alaghu Chaudhary. This type decision given by Juman Sheikh. Alaghu could not contain his feelings. Contain means hold. He understood when Juman Sheikh became head punch, no, that time he decided that he won't give decision fairly. But now what happened, children? When he sat there on that seat, no, judgment seat, he thought that he should give a correct decision, impartial decision he should give. That time he thought and he declared his decision. ಪರವಾಗಿ ಯಾರ್ದು ಅಲಗು ಚೌಧರಿ ಪರವಾಗಿನೇ ಅವನು ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪೆಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ದಟ್ ಅಲಗು can't contain his feelings, he can't hold his feelings, he becomes so much emotional because he didn't expect. ಅವನು ಆ ಥರ ನಿರ್ಧಾರ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನಂತಲೇ ಅವ್ನು ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ರು ನನ್ನ ಎನಿಮಿ ನನ್ನ ವಿರುದ್ಧವಾಗಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನಂತ ಹೇಳಿನೇ ಅವನು ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದ. ಬಟ್ ವೆನ್ that Juman Sheikh gave the decision, no, that time he can't hold his feelings. He said loudly, victory to the panchayat, this is justice, God lives in the voice of the punch. See, golden days, ಹಳೆ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಪಂಚಾಯತಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು, ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಹೈಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಹೋದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಸರಿಗೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಮ ಪರವಾಗಿನೂ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ತೃಪ್ತಿ ಆಗುವಂಗೂ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಅವಾಗ ನೋಡ್ರೆ 5 ಜನ ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಮುಖ್ಯಸ್ಥರು ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ನಿರ್ಣಯವನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ರು. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ದೇವರಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇತ್ತು, ಆ ಜನರು ದೈವ ಭಕ್ತರಾಗಿದ್ರು, ಅವ್ರು ಮೋಸ ವಂಚನೆ ಇಂಥವು ಏನೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಾಗ, ಈ ಜಾಗದಾಗ ಕೂತ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಾನು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ದೇವ್ರು ನೋಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾನ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಭಯ ಇತ್ತು ಜನರಲ್ಲಿ. ಹಿಂಗಾಗಿ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು, ಇಂಪಾರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ದೇ ವರ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ದ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ಸ್. ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪೆಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ದಟ್ ಜುಮನ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ದ ಎನಿಮಿ ಆಫ್ ಅಲಗು ಚೌಧರಿ, ಹಿ ಗೇವ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೇ ಫಿಯರ್ ಟು ಗಾಡ್. ದೇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೆದರ್ತಿದ್ರು ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಜನ, ಈಗಿನವ್ರು ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಹೆದರಂಗಿಲ್ರಿ. ಹಿಂಗಾಗಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕೊಡೋದೇ. ನೀವು ಹೈಕೋರ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ, ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ, ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಸುಳ್ಳಾಗೇ ಉಳಿದ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾವೆ. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು, ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ಗಳು ಆ ಥರ ಬರ್ತಾವೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಅಲಗು ಚೌಧರಿ ಗಾಟ್ ಗುಡ್ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಜುಮನ್ ಶೇಖ್. ಅವಾಗೇನಂತ ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋರು ವಾಕ್ಯ ದೇವರ ವಾಕ್ಯ ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಅವನು ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗದೇನೆ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಕೂಗುತ್ತಾನೆ. Soon after, Juman came to Alag, embraced him and said, since the last panchayat I had become your enemy. See what happened, children? When he shouted loudly, the voice of God, God lives in the voice of punch ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಅವ್ನು ಕೂಗಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, that Juman Sheikh came and he embraced. Embraced means hugged. He hugged that Alaghu Chaudhary and said, from last panchayat we became enemies, but I can't understand your feelings. He said like this, today I realized what it means to be a punch. ಇವತ್ತು ನನಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯಿತು, ಒಬ್ಬ ಪಂಚನಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ನಿರ್ಣಯಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ನನಗೆ ಈಗ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯಿತು. ಐ ರಿಯಲೈಸ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಟುಡೇ. ಸೊ now again we will start our friendship means he hugged the Alaghu Chaudhary. A punch knows no friend or enemy but only justice. I said that pre-reading task only. I said, no children, that Rama, he told to Lakshman to send Sita again to forest. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಳಿಸಿದ. ಅವಾಗ ಅವ್ನು ನನ್ನ ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿನಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಮುಚ್ಚಾಕೋಬೋದಿತ್ತು ಅವರು. ಬಟ್ ಆ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಧೀಶರ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ನ್ಯಾಯವನ್ನೇ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಮನೋಭಾವ ಬಂದುಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. So what happened here? Let no one deviate from the path of justice and truth for friendship or enmity. ಇದು ಯಾವುದು ಲೆಕ್ಕಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. when the judge is going to give the decision, no, that time he should not see whether that both the parties, maybe anyone may be his friend, anyone may be his relative, whatever it may be, that they should not consider that one, only they should give fair decision. Alagu was also in tears. His tears washed away all the dirt of misunderstanding between them. See what happened? Alagu also in tears, that he was also started to cry. ಅವನ ಕಣ್ಣಲ್ಲೂ ನೀರು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಕಣ್ಣಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರು ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರುವಾಯಿತು. ಆವಾಗ ಏನಾಯಿತು, ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಮಿಸ್ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗಿಂದ ಅವರಿಬ್ಬರು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಶಿಪ್ಪೇ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗಿತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ದೇ ಅಗೇನ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಗುಡ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್. That misunderstanding gone between both of them. Misunderstanding means not understanding clearly, properly ಒಬ್ಬರನ್ನ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳದೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ, ಈ ಥರ ಮಿಸ್ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಬಂದು that friendship become converted into enmity. So this is about the lesson, the justice above self. ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ವಾರ್ಥ, ಸೆಲ್ಫಿಶ್ನೆಸ್ಗಿಂತಲೂ ಜಸ್ಟಿಸ್, ನ್ಯಾಯ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಬಹಳ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಈ ಪಾಠದಲ್ಲಿ ಮುನ್ಷಿ ಪ್ರೇಮ್ಚಂದ್ ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರಲ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ರಿಯಲಿ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದಟ್ ವೆನೆವರ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಜಡ್ಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಯಾವುದೇ ಟೈಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೊಂದು ನ್ಯಾಯವನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಅವಕಾಶ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಗ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಇವ್ನು ನನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್, ಇವ್ನು ನನ್ನ ರಿಲೇಟಿವ್ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ದೇನೆ, ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಸೊ, ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಗಿವ್ ಫೇರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗುಡ್ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್. ಆವಾಗಲೇ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ನಮಗೆ ಜನರು ಗೌರವವನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಲೆಸನ್ ಜಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ಅಬೌವ್ self. Okay children, I think, I hope all of you understood this lesson. Read the lesson again. Okay, once again you read the lesson and I will send the notes. Complete the notes and come to school on Thursday and Friday. I will be there for corrections. Okay, thank you.